Bismillah. Sallallahu described the sound of vibration. I want you to listen the sound of space. NASA has recently discovered 18 years ago, night before the turning of the millennium, and the name of research was After Universe is Not Silent, because there was this idea that if you want to outer space, you wouldn't hear anything except for the moving objects. So here is the sound of space. It's actually the breathtaking. One of the researchers who published that research said that it sounds like a billion men doing Gregorian chants all simultaneously at the same time. Subhanallah.